Alright guys, we got a 2006 Frontier. We're doing a little NERS action there with a blank TCM. Using the new Cardac Plus 3. Little power max action on the battery charger, so just thought I'd take a quick little clip and show you guys what's going on today. Nothing too terribly serious. So little Saturday morning action. Guy asked me to come out here and do this transmission. He just got done rebuilding it. I think he normally uses the dealer, but it's Saturday, so well, there you go, guys. A slow, fun Nissan action. Alright guys, well,